Cause race car, and this is my 1991 Turbo Miata. So, if you couldn't tell already, we finished the Miata. It is up and running. It's tuned, sort of, just with like messing around with some stuff, letting it tune itself. It's running extremely rich, but that's besides the point. We spit flames, so that is always a bonus. We haven't had any major issues besides losing a couple turbo bolts, having the turbo come loose, almost fly off. Exhaust bolts coming loose due to the cheap quality of the Chinese CXRacing piece of quality. But we haven't had any other leaks. No coolant leaks, no oil leaks. One exhaust leak, but that was because the turbo got loose, but we won't talk about that. We've had a couple vacuum lines blow off, like to the wastegate and on the back of the intake. But yeah, that was just Jimmy's fault.
Oh yeah, that was my fault.
No, that was the fault of the Chinese turbo kit. But in total, I probably have 3,400 into this. If I am feeling not lazy, I'll do like a parts list. But I guess we'll find out. It looks like
it's about to rain.
It's about to.
I just felt a drop.
Is that an oil leak? No.
Uh-oh.
No leaks whatsoever. Oh my. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh. So, but before we get struck by lightning, which Jimmy's holding the lightning rod, so I should be good.
True.
I'll just stay low.
Yeah,
Do I recommend the CXRacing Turbo Kit? Yes and no. Yes, because I haven't had any major issues with it. No, because there's so many little things we had to like mod and cut and hack and hammer. We had to do a lot of modding to get it to fit right. Any input on that, Jimmy?
No, it's just not a perfect fit, but it's one step up from eBay.
One step up from eBay, 69 steps down from Flying Miata. I haven't gotten one of their kits or used it, but I've seen install videos and they make it look really easy. So if you have the money for it, I'd go with that. If you don't, then keep your Miata NA until you can afford it. Get a Mega Squirt first. Get that tuned before you get a turbo. I had a little bit of confusion on that, but now it's all set and running. Are those eagles?
I don't know what they are.
Oh, we got them Rasher Civics coming up.
Uh-oh.
Now it's awkward.
That's a Volvo, isn't it? It is a Volvo.
Volvo.
It's like an old lady driving it.
Double check.
It's starting to rain.
Uh-oh.
It's coming down. I feel the sprinkles.
Well, looks like we're getting rained out. We'll have to move to a different location.
Yes. Almost makes you look good. Roasted and toasted.
Get a zoom in shot of the broken lip. Stupid fuck.